again, everybody. I've just pulled the van onto the front here to start getting it ready for our trip away at the weekend to Ttxela again with young Mia. Now, when I pulled the van onto the drive here, I had some trouble getting the glow plug relay to light. It was very reluctant. So yeah, we can disable the immobiliser and then we should get the preheat light come on, but it's not. The van has run. Did get it to come on briefly just by flicking the key, but I'm doing it now. The engine's probably warm, so it probably will run. Yeah. It's gonna be a bit of a pig to start from cold though, isn't it? The belts are slipping a bit as well by the sound of it. Getting a very definite click from the relay. Let's have a look at it. So yeah, this blue plastic box above the battery, I believe, is the preheater relay. It's not actually particularly well fixed, the lid. Let's put the lid off and we'll give it a bit of a spray with some contact cleaner as a first measure. You can see one of the clips has broken off the back of that blue box. The relay itself doesn't look too bad. I'll give it a quick spray. Yeah, that's still not working, is it? So next I tried holding the relay in by hand to see if we get a light doing it like that. Well, yes we do. So there's nothing wrong with the light, at least, and if that relay closes we do get the light. So yeah, I wonder if there's a bad earth behind the battery somewhere. Well, let's get that battery off and take a look at the earth. Really be nice to get this sorted before we go off to Ttxela, wouldn't it? Well, there is the earth point, which I think is the relevant one to clean up. I'll clean up all these little bits and pieces as well that go on to it, just in case. No. Right, I'm just going to get Nikki to flick the starter switch just so I can see if that relay is closing.
I don't remember where it is.
That's alright, I'll show you. Okay, go on. Yeah, and let it out again. Do it again. Again. Okay. Ah, so that's pretty weird. That seemed to be pulling quite strongly, didn't it, that relay? But the preheat light wasn't coming on. And yet with the ignition off, if I close it by hand, the preheat light does come on. Well, at least we can get the preheat light to come on, so I can heat the engine up by hand if I have to, I think. Well, I managed to find another glow plug relay on the Coastal Motorhomes website, so I've ordered that. Hopefully we can still manage to get to Kessingland. I can manually operate that preheat with my finger. I don't think that's probably a recommended method, but hopefully it'll do to get us there and back, and then we can fit the new relay when it arrives, and hopefully that will resolve the problem. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Give the like button a press. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more.